Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS Grid tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn about the autofit value. So previously, when we used the grid template columns, we set a repeat function with the value of autofill. And what it does is that it gives an automatic amount of rows of repeats depending on the min and maximum. And we see that once it gets too small, it collapses. But once it gets big, it expands. But once it gets too big, it creates these empty columns. What autofit does is that it won't create these empty columns, but it will stretch these items instead. So they want us to do it for the container 2, which we have in the bottom here. So container 2, you want to change the repeat to autofit. So we can just copy and paste this. And we can see here that when it shrinks, it collapses, but when it expands, it stretches. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.